Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am taking you to one of the most magical attraction in Thailand. It is Carnival Magic Phuket. If you think you have seen lights before, trust me, you have not seen anything like this. It's located in Kamala Beach. This place completely transformed the nights into a glowing fantasy world filled with colors, culture, music and celebration. When you enter the Kingdom of Light inside Carnival Magic Phuket, it doesn't feel like a normal theme park area. It feels like stepping into a glowing fairy tale city that only wakes up at night. The entire zone is designed as a walkway through the experience. So instead of sitting and watching, you are inside the spectacle. Everywhere you look, there are arches, tunnels, giant sculptures, trees and fantasy structures completely covered with tiny LED light. What makes it special is the scale. This place uses more than 40 million LED lights, not thousands, not lakhs, it's million, and they are arranged in detailed pattern inspired by Thai architecture, mythology and royal festivals. Some section looks like glowing temples, some like enchanted garden, and some like colorful dream palaces made of pure light. The designs are very detailed with curves, domes, animals, mythical creatures, and intricate patterns shining in gold, purple, blue, and pink. There are long illuminated walkway where the lights from overhead canopies, creating a tunnel effect. When you walk through, it feels like you are inside a moving galaxy. The light reflects on the ground, on your clothes, even on your face. So every photo looks so dramatic without any filter. That's why this area is extremely popular for the photography. And for that reason, this is known as Kingdom of Light. Another beautiful part is how the lights are layered. It is not just flat decorations, the structure have depth. Some installations are several meters tall, forming glowing castles and royal courts. The combination of warm golden tone and bright neon colors make the whole place feels grand. Festival at the same time. It's not just a random decoration, it is designed like a royal celebration frozen in light. And because it's permanent installation, everything is carefully engineered. The wiring, symmetry and the alignment of lights, everything is precise. That's also why it is received recognition of having one of the largest permanent light display in the world. When you are walking inside, you don't think about records. You just feel small in the best way, surrounded by millions of sparkling lights. Inside Carnival Magic's Kingdom of Lights, the restrooms are not plain tiled boxes with fluorescent bulbs. They are styled like small thematic rooms that match the surrounding luminous world. Imagine walking into a space where even the washrooms feel like part of the light festival instead of boring necessity. The entrance are framed with gentle lights ascent that blend with surrounding LED archways, so it doesn't feel like you are stepping out of a story and into the reality. Some restroom corridors even have the decorative panels or the murals depicting the mythic creatures or floral patterns. In short, even the restroom don't break the spell. They reflect the same attention to the detail that defines the Kingdom of Lights throughout elegant illumination that makes every corner of the place feels like it belongs to a glowing world. I never see this type of restroom in my whole life. You can see this is a drying place, and this is the cute little frog shaped wash basin that looks really so cute. So I thought of I'll just record just for you. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video and share it with your friends and family. If you have any plan to visit Thailand, then this should be in your list because this is something you should not miss. Watch till the end of this video to know each and every detail of Carnival Magic. Before we continue, I just want to let you know that I have already uploaded two detailed part of my Carnival Magic experience. In the first part, I have shown the full Carnival Magic show and explored the entire attraction with all the highlights, beautiful detail, price, everything. In the second part, I have covered the Carnival Magic Grand Buffet and shared everything about the food and dining experience. So, if you have not watched those yet, make sure to check them out. I have also created dedicated Thailand playlist where I have uploaded more than 150 videos from my travel. Whenever you have time, you can go through the playlist and explore more amazing places with me in Thailand. Even they have the battery operated vehicle where they will take you to the tour of Carnival Magic Kingdom of Light. So for that you have to book separate tickets for that card. Otherwise you have to walk around 2-3 kilometers to see the detailed Kingdom of Light. So if you are not able to walk so long, then it is advisable to take the battery operated card. So they will take you to whole and experience the beauty of Kingdom of Light. Let's take me to the next point.
parade float, world's largest outdoor chandelier, world's largest LED structure, world's largest paper mache sculpture, world's biggest popcorn machine, world's greatest places, world's largest LED sculpture, world's most lights in a light and sound show, world's most lights on a van. Kopunka.
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 So that was my experience at Carnival Magic Phuket. From the grand performance to the stunning kingdom of lights and the delicious buffet, everything here feels larger than the life and truly magical. It is not just a show, it is an entire celebration of lights, culture and entertainment that stays with you even after you leave. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more travel experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting destination. Before ending this video, I just want to share one important tip. These shows usually ends around 10:30 to 11 pm, and at that time it can be difficult to get a taxi or car immediately. So I would strongly suggest booking your return transport in advance to avoid any last minute hassle. In our case, we could not find a car easily, so we finally went back with tuk-tuk. It worked out, but it is always better to plan ahead so your experience ends smoothly without any stress.